Anong lunch nyo? Mine is pork burger steak with truffle mushroom gravy. Sarap to, hit sa kids, lalo na yung gravy. Para easy ang life, gumamit ako ng food processor to chop the garlic, onions, and carrots. Yes, may carrots. Alam mo naman ng mommies, laging gumagawa ng paraan para makasingit ng veggies sa pagkain ng kids. Sakto lang sa amin na family of 4 itong 1/4 kilo of ground pork. Then, ihalo na natin yung veggies sa food processor, then add soy sauce, salt and black pepper, flour, egg, and spring onions. Mix well and set aside for about 30 minutes para mag-mix yung flavors. Then, in a medium-high heat, fry na natin yung pork burger steak. Pwede kayong gumamit ng molder para perfect yung shape and pantay-pantay yung sizes. But this is how I do it. Sineshape ko na lang using 2 spoons and pinapress ko directly sa pan. Fry each side until mag-golden brown. This takes about 3 minutes each. For the truffle mushroom gravy, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, then add 4 tablespoons of flour. Mix well para maluto yung flour and para maging thick yung consistency. Then, add 3 cups of beef broth. Since wala ako noon, 3 cups of water, then 1 beef bouillon cube. Just remember to keep on stirring until the gravy becomes smooth. Our family likes the gravy peppery, kaya medyo marami yung nandito sa recipe na to, but you can adjust according to your preference. To make it creamier, I added 1/4 cup of all-purpose cream. Then, I added a small can of mushrooms. Keep on mixing, then for more color and umami flavor, I added 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Pag thick and smooth na yung consistency na gravy natin, we can turn off the heat. And since may black truffle ako sa ref, I decided to level up this gravy by adding 1 teaspoon of black truffle paste. Place the burger patties on top of a hot steaming rice, then add the luscious gravy. Ang sarap nito guys, better than the burger steak sa mga fast food. Kaya if you have time, try making this na rin.